This question is asking us to obtain the exact same value as this one here. To do that, we want to obtain our reference angle. Now, this angle would be based right into this location here in quadrant 3 at 258. To get the referencing angle, we would of course want to be right in here, and so we would take 258 and we would subtract 180 to obtain our answer, and we get a 78-degree angle. Now, having said that, we want to think about where cosine is positive and negative and so on. So we use the cast rule. Now, the cast rule tells us where cosine's positive and negative and so on. Cosine would be positive here where the C is and positive here. Now, the angle that we were given, this one right here, 258, is in this quadrant, which means this will be a negative value. So we want another negative value for cosine, and that would happen in this quadrant right here. So we need to know the angle in that quadrant that has a 78-degree referencing angle. So let's draw that 78-degree referencing angle right here. It would be 78. And to find that angle, we would take 180, subtract 78, and we get 102. This would be our answer. Now, if you type in the cosine of 258, and if you type in the cosine of 102, you should get the exact same answer. You can verify it on your calculator. Let's do one more example. If we were trying to find the exact same angle that would produce an equivalent value to the sine of 45, the key is to obtain the reference angle first. So 145 places us in this quadrant, and the referencing angle would be found between the x-axis and the terminal arm. 180 minus 145 leaves us with a 35-degree referencing angle. Now the next thing we need to do is determine whether it is a positive or negative value. If you remember, the cast rule tells us who's positive where. So let's outline that. In this particular case, take a look. Our sine value in this quadrant will be positive. So we need the other time that sine would be positive, which would be in this quadrant. So actually our reference angle is the other angle that would produce that. If you type in the sine of 35, you get a positive value of 0.57357, and if you type in the sine of 145, you get the exact same answer. The key is first obtaining the referencing angle, finding the angle in the correct quadrant that would have the same sine value, and the key to that is cast, C-A-S-T.